I have to wake up this morning again. Why did I decide to choose morning shift? I hate this shit. What time is it? Oh, what time is it? 5 o'clock, okay. I have to be at work at 6. Let me sleep for 10 more minutes. 10 more minutes. Let me sleep for 10 more minutes.
You are a moo man.
10 more minutes. 10 more minutes.
What are you trying to say? Jesus! Fontaine! Ayé mi tèmi bá mi. I'm supposed to hear of this.
Are you normal? Are you normal?
Oh, no.
Jesus! Huh? Ayé mi tèmi bá mi.
You be mumu. You think say you dey wise?
Mumu
man.
12 o'clock.
You never expected it.
Segun, please make sure you're here at 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. You know we're going to be very busy with our clients and all that. So please keep this in mind. Understood? Yes, sir. Understood. Okay. See you tomorrow at 6.
I'm finished.
Is it funny? No, it's not funny.